Back again for another motherfucking video. Let me turn this goddamn music down because there's some copyright. Get that up out of here. It's Lexus King, 1/4 of the Ride Squad, Dad by God. What's happening? How you doing? Let's listen to that crispy ass garage be really quiet and silent as it rolls up. All right, now I forgot what the hell I was looking for, but I know what the hell I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look for this part, and then once I get these parts together, then I'm gonna show you what we're doing. But things bug me. Hella shit bugs me. The reason I smoked 4 holes in my hood was because I used to have no hood pins right here in this little middle portion. Every time I get up to speed and come up over a hill or there's any air pressure change, it would push my hood up, and the hood would flex up in the center and flap up and be doing all that wild shit, and there'd be a lot of photos I didn't like to use. There'd be a lot of times that I didn't even want to drive because the center of the hood would be pulling up. So I come home, smoke holes in it, put more hood pins in it, done deal, good. This car right here, Jalen be driving, it looks dope. But once we get up to speed, and this is guaranteed got to be a problem that I got to solve now because we got these dive planes, which this actually creates aero. Up to speed, it pushes this down. You see that flex? Reason being because that dumbass TV show, when they wrecked the front of this car, it took out some of that support. So as you can see, the support right here, that makes it real solid and firm. This side is good. This side flexes. So certain photos I'd see or videos I'd see when the car is going around the track and we was at speed, that front end was pushed down some. And I can visibly see it because of the gap between the bumper and the hood. I don't like that shit. I gotta fix that shit. And that's what we about to do right now. I'm about to fix this only way that I know how to. And let me find these damn parts so I can get this done. Where the hell did I put everything? One damn second. Let me find what I need to find. I'll be right back. Cool, I found the joints. Now, these things, there's a ton of these rods in here. I'm gonna show you. This is what I've got. This is a thin aluminum little rod. It's a hollow inner diameter aluminum rod. Reason I got this is so I can hammer it, smash it, make a little mounting point. Obviously, I gotta bend it up, fold it up, and it's gonna sit to the frame rail, and it's gonna come out and hold the fenders out. So I'm gonna put all of that together. You'll see what I'm talking about while I'm doing it. This is gonna be good because this is gonna give just the amount of rigidity that I need to make happen. Also, I got multiples because I need to do the same thing with this car right here to put some rods that go for the backside of the subframe that comes up front to the back of the bumper. These are definitely key things that are needed to hold like real aero functioning pieces. I'm obviously about real aero pieces that cause real aero functionality, so I can't deal with pieces that fold and flip under cars. I need the aero property to actually work. So let's get to folding up, measuring up, bending up, and then mounting this stuff here and see how it works in the long run. Cool. Seems legit. Built that brace to the fender, built that brace to the frame rail, which just supports that little soft ass portion that comes. It's like a forward braced portion in front of the radiator support. Everything should be pretty good as far as rigidity goes. I'm gonna throw this bumper back on, make sure everything fits in pretty good. I brought that in a little bit tighter to bring the fender in a little bit more, but it's super rigid. So just gotta make sure everything fits good. All right, that shit on. And everything fit right where I needed it to. That was perfect. I ain't measured nothing. It's up and clear. All right, we cool. All right, yeah, we looking good. That's legit and official. It's not as rigid as obviously the factory side, but it's got some more resistance than it had. So it's a lot of work for little reward. Marginally a little bit better. It wasn't amazing, but it's cool. It's something that I kind of wanted to do for a little bit, but that shit's done now. A little bit more rigid, and we'll see next time we get on the track when Jalen gets up to speed. I'm hoping that shimming the fender, because I shimmed the fender to bring the fender up and out, so that got a little bit more rigidity for having some more body fasteners on the frame. Built those little pieces, and you do not see them at all. There we go. You got to go way down to see it, but that's in a perfect location. That's pretty much where this one is, same. And the other one is right there. But everything's hidden behind the bumper bar. It's a little bit more firm, and like I said, we'll see what happens once we really get up to speed. Once this Aero really get to pushing, we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. But yeah, just something real quick out to work. I wanted to get that done. That's done. That's out the way. I'll probably order some more shit, thicker diameter, thicker inner wall, so that when I make it flatter, it's way more rigid. This was just a test piece. I kind of got templates now, I guess, and we can go from there. But yeah, man, that's that. This is this, and I'm out. Two fingers in the wind.
Problem. Got me stored in her phone ass. Problem. Get her wet, then she let her lick. Problem. Niggas know they hit. Problem. Give her straight out the cut like I'm supposed to rap. I don't be in niggas I ain't supposed to rap. Keep my head circle smarter than a dot. Stay one hating harder than I. So there's other coochie. What else to do but duck goats? It ain't gon' change, plus it ain't my problem. You like that, just like problem. That shit bang, but it just ain't problem. One time, let me hear you say problem. Two times, let me hear you say